How to create password in Spender app. Are you guys facing issues to create password on Spender application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To create password on Spender app, first of all, open Spender application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in now, just simply look at the right bottom of the screen where you can see the setting icon. Just simply tap on the setting icon. After that minute, you will be forwarded to this interface. Here you will be able to see this option with change language, change currency and local password. You are looking to add password, right? Tap on local password setting. After you tap on it, write down your new password. Make sure no one can guess it easily. Don't try to use simple numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again confirm your password. After you confirm it, tap on save. After you click on save, this password will be used to open the app. Now just simply go to your home screen and open the Spender app. You need to write down the password to open the application on your Spender app. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add local password on your Spender application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.